we're gonna do the fidget spinners, like whatever place they're in. Like this is in first place, second place, third place, fourth place, fifth place, sixth place, seventh place, eighth place. This is the last place. This is the king. That's the king. He won all of us. So let's get started. Okay, this guy versus this guy. This is my guy. This is my guy. This is my guy. Okay, let's get started. Ready? No, that's not your guy. No, you're the king. Okay. No, you're this guy. Whatever guy. You can pick any guy. But what king what one? Which one? No, you can't pick the king. Then who's the king? This is the second king. So pick him. Okay, ready? This one. Okay. Let's start this one. Both of them are mine. They're my favorite fidget spinners. Both of them, they're my favorite. It hurt. Hey guys, by the way, we got a shock pin. It shocks. And I pranked him. Oh! That scared me. Okay.
Who's going to win? Who's going to win?
That's him. My guy. He won. Okay, so he's in second place. And you versus him.
Ready?
Okay, ready? I'm just gonna remember. No. But I'm ready, set, go. I'm that. It's gonna take a while. Because they're both fast. Both fast at fidget spinning. This is mine. Hey, don't touch it. Or it's gonna slow down. That looks cool right there. Yeah, I'm all sleeping. Okay, this one won. Wait. Yeah. I want to be that guy. That one's hella fast. Yep. He's a king. We can't pick the king. No, he's not stopped yet.
Yep, he's the...
I said second place. Okay, this guy versus this guy. Look at this guy.
Who's going to win this one now? This round.
The king has to verse all of them. No. King, this one. Find him because he's in first place. The king has to verse the first one. Okay, this guy and this guy. This guy and this guy. Okay, ready? Okay, Raha. Okay, ready? Set, go. Here we go. This guy. I think this one's gonna lose. Yeah. Here I go on a trip, and that's where I got going to. He went right there. He needs to stay right there. Here I go on a trip. That's going slow.
You just need to hold it. See? Just need to hold it. Oh, that one lost. This one lost. This one keep going. Okay.
I know. I need to take this off.
Just leave it on.
Yeah, they're the same. And this guy has to be with this guy.
Okay, Batman against that one. Ready?
Which one? This guy?
This one.
Okay.
Okay, ready?
Set, go.
Do it again. Do it.
Set,
ready? Go.
Here we go on the truck. When I say we can jump. Who's gonna win, more? That one's a 13. This one is fast. Yeah. This one, he is like a king. No, this is the second.
Who is going to win? Who's stopping first? Who's going first?
It looks like they're the same. Yeah.
Here we go. We're going to same time. We're going to tie. Oh, the Batman won.
No.
No, let's do that.
Let's do this one?
No. This.
And this one.
Okay.
And this one go right here and this one.
No. Let me see. Who wins on this one?
Okay. Whoever wins has to be on this side. If he loses, then he has to be right here.
Yeah. No, let's do that.
Oh, fine, he has to be in the back.
If this one wins, you put it right here. If this one wins, then right here. Okay, ready?
Wait,
ready?
no. But this one's gonna win. We know.
What
the heck? Okay, ready?
Ready?
This is not Chris.
Ready?
Set, go. Baby, look at this one. Wow.
Slow down fast.
Look at it. Look at it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Probably there's water in there. So water makes it rusty. It makes it rusty. Makes it slow down. It looks like it's gonna be a tie.
Let me see who's going to win this one.
Oh, Batman.
It's going to be a good match right here.
Batman.
It's
Batman. This is not going to be
Batman won.
This is not going to be a king.
Okay.
This is not
Here you
going to be
go.
a king.
Now this one.
Now
ready?
this one against it. Okay, ready? Set, go. Great.
Do it again. No, do it again.
Ready? Set,
ready?
go.
Who's going to win this one? This match?
Nobody.
Who's going to win? Who is going to win?
Gotta be no poo-poo. No poo-poo.
Oh, that one won. Now, the blue one. Against this one right here.
No, this is this guy.
No.
No, where is this guy goes? Right here.
Yeah. Yeah.
Caca pipi. Hey, Gabby, no touch. No touch.
No, Gabby.
Okay, these two. Okay. Uno,
Ready?
dos, tres, cuatro.
Set, go.
Oh, no.
Wait, no.
Uno, dos, tres, cuatro. What the heck? Okay, this one won. So he has to be right here. Verse. No, this one won. This one's gonna win. So this one right here. So he's right here, and this guy against this guy. This guy's against. Okay, ready, set, go. I put it slow. Yeah, he's going easy on him. Go easy. He's still gonna win. Watch. He's still gonna win.
Easy.
Easy?
Huh?
Easy poo-poos?
Easy.
See? We went easy on him and he sucks.
That sucks.
Yeah.
Gabby.
Owie! Okay, this guy again. Okay, ready? This one won. Gabby? This one cannot be the king. This cannot be the king. So that guy right here.
Just the match. And remember, you can't do it at the 3 at the morning. If you do this, spin it at the morning, do it at the morning, something happens, you know. You know that, guys? Dude? Hey, go get it. Go get it. That's not funny. That's not funny. Get them. If you spin them at the 3 at the morning, man, something happens. I can't tell you, but something happens. It's something scary. Don't try that at home, guys. Alright?
It's scary.
Yeah.
What is it?
Check go your YouTube and put it spinners 3 at the morning. Check it out. Check it out. I can't tell you, but it's going to happen bad.
What
Like,
does?
just go your thing and
Why are you making me scared, man?
yeah, it's really
Okay,
scary.
Chris, come with me.
Just put it up and see what happens. I told you guys don't do that. When you spin the spinners right here at 3 at the morning, something happens. They say that you can't try it at home, and I saw that YouTube, and they say something happens. Something I don't know.
No, no.
Check it out.
You burn
guys.
yourself?
No, just check it out and see what happens.
Okay, go to your YouTube channel.
Oh, yours.
I know, but
You go to your
that's
thing.
my favorite fidget spinner. No, Gabby Weenie.
Hey, damn. Spell spinners.
No, Gabby. Gabby.
All right, that's it for this one. Peace. Like,
Don't try
What do we do?
comment if you like this or
Gabby.
everything. Okay.
No, do.
All right.
Do.
Peace,
Do.
guys.
Do.
I'm out.
Do.
Do.